guys. So we are going to talk hair today. All right, we are going to talk hair. And I'm sure a lot of you can relate to what I'm going to talk about. It's a really short video, but I did my makeup. I did a little bit more than I normally do. I used my Sheer Glow foundation by NARS. Lipstick is Wicked Ways by Tom Ford with the chocolate lip liner. And then I used a real cute little palette from MAC. I never wear eyeshadows, but I thought, why not? This little palette is from MAC and I purchased it in December. Super cute. Anyway, let's talk hair. Long story short, I started noticing hair thinning and hair shedding it was probably over the summer, more so in my crown area, like right in here. So one of my girlfriends told me about the Nature's Bounty gummies, and I ended up buying like a small little jar, like a little container, just to try them out because I just thought they were gonna upset my stomach. But I started off with taking one in the morning and nothing happened. They recommend 2 during the day. So after about 2 weeks, I just started to take 2 after breakfast. You guys, these gummies have really changed the density of my hair. Like, I have noticed such a huge improvement in that and hair growth. I am blessed with good hair. Both my parents had very good hair. However, it doesn't matter if you have good hair or not. If you are stressed or you're menopausing or as you get older, I mean, you shed hair. I think it's inevitable. I think it may happen to a lot of women, and lucky for those that don't experience that. I was one that did start experiencing it. I think that over the summer, it was more stress than anything because of COVID, and the stresses of that whole situation just kind of took a toll on me. So anyway, my girlfriends told me about this stuff and I've been taking them for 3 months. I'm gonna insert pictures of what my hair looked like in this area to now. Huge difference. Huge difference. Like, it has completely filled in like more baby hair in this little cowlick that I've always had. It just seemed like I was like losing, like it was just gone. Like, the hair was just not there anymore. But this has made a huge difference. And the way I noticed it was I took a selfie in our bedroom in the same spot, and I remember looking at the picture and I thought, oh my god, like, it looks like my hair looked thinner, like right in here. And it kind of scared me a little bit. And then I compared it to a picture that I took when I turned 50, and you can see a huge difference. Well, at least I can see a big difference in the receding, like in this part right here. But anyway, so I started taking these 3 months ago and they've made a huge difference in my hair. I highly recommend them. Not only are they good for your hair, they're good for nails and skin. As far as nails, I haven't really paid much attention to it because I get acrylics done. So I haven't really paid attention to that, but I'm sure it's not a bad thing. And another item that I started using that I need to be a little bit more consistent with is the Vegamour drops. This is like all over social media, and a few big influencers have endorsed this product. I have used this one all up, but the problem with that was that I was doing sporadically. So I wasn't being very consistent. I just reordered, I think it was like a set of 2 or 3. I'm not 100% sure. I'm waiting to receive those, and I will definitely be more consistent with using the drops. But these are the Vegamour drops, and I'm sure you guys have heard about these. These are like all over social media, like I said, and there's a lot of big time influencers that are endorsing this product. And I think it does work. Like I said, I just need to be a little bit more consistent. This is like 4 days of not washing my hair. So I don't have that problem where my hair gets like super oily. I'll use a little bit of like dry powder like in here, just so don't stink. But yeah, I don't wash my hair every single day. Or when I do wash my hair, I use Olaplex or the Alterna Caviar shampoos, the ones in the purple bottles. And then I mask my hair as well. But anyway, guys, I really wanted to share these supplements, these gummy supplements with you guys. Like, I really believe this has helped my hair a great deal. It has grown quite a bit. And I'm not one to trim my hair. Like, I don't go for trims or anything. When I do get my blowout done, my Brazilian blowout, which is, I only do it twice a year, I'll have her trim like the dead ends. I am contemplating on getting a little bit more layers right in here. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna link these down below if you guys are not familiar with these. Like, check them out, do some research on them. I bought these at Costco. It's like the mega big size, and they're super, super good too. They're tasty. They don't taste like crap. You know, they don't taste vitamin-y. But anyway, that is it. That is my really quick hair talk for this video. Consider subscribing to my channel, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye. Basic sweater, basic jeans, and some ballerina flats. No fuss look. These jeans are like my favorite pair of jeans. I bought them at a secondhand store. I'm always in these jeans. They're seriously my favorite. And they're pretty high-waisted. The sweater is a little cropped, not too bad. Wearing them with high-waisted jeans, you won't have a problem with showing a little bit of belly. I went ahead and added my little Chanel brooch. As you can see, it completely elevates the look. And then I'm also wearing my Chanel ballerina flats. My lily clasp earrings. Seriously, any little knit like this is very basic and very simple, no fuss outfit. You can add a statement belt if you choose, but I didn't wear a belt this time. But yeah, super cute. Brooch, you guys, these will not break the bank. It elevates any little outfit. Highly recommend.